you guys are. They were on a team that I think a lot of guys that came from the old school over at Eastland bowling with us would agree were hands down the funnest group of guys to bowl with. Every time you saw them on the schedule, you knew you were going to have a great time, and they always showed up, no matter how far out of first place they were, no matter where they stood in the standings. You could bank on these three guys coming every Monday night and having a blast while they were doing it. They made one magic run to win a tournament one year that I'm still a little bitter about because they wiped the floor with my team. But anyway, Jim Strubank and Mark Colgan.
Here we go. Three blind mice.
They will forever be known as the Budweiser guys.
That's hilarious.
Old school bowling at Eastland when we all first started this entire league. His name is Pat Strong. Hold the applause. I'm going to have his former teammate and good friend Todd Fugate say a few words about Pat, and then we'll get going with the honorary start and get the league started.
So it is my honor to induct into the second class of the Hall of Fame Pat Strong, who's straight out of Hazard from Hugon's Bowling Lane, from the Hardwoods. Woo! To Eastland, from Bellevue Jack. Go Hazard!
All right, so these guys are now in what we call the Lanes of Fame. We've got a plaque that's going up at BD's that has last year's class and then obviously this year's class with Scott not being here. So I'd like to thank those guys for coming out again. One more round of applause for these guys. Can't think of anybody better to kick off the bowling league every year with none other than the man, the myth, the legend, Jonathan Yeagle.
Don't hurt yourself.
Hey, calm down.
You should have planned this out a little better, buddy. There he goes.
Just happy to have you.
Yes.